Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining one campaign objective like brand awareness or conversions. Be specific about what success looks like so you can measure progress. Choose objective website visits to drive traffic or lead generation to collect contacts. Set a measurable goal such as 500 clicks or 50 leads within 30 days. Use that goal to guide every decision about audience, creative, and budget. Keep the campaign target by job title, industry, company size, or skills for precise reach. Narrow audiences to relevant roles that match your buyer persona and goals. Use 5 to 10 audience segments to test performance efficiently. For creative, create carousel or single image ads with one clear CTA like Learn More. Write headlines under 70 characters and descriptions under 150 characters for optimal display. Include one link and a branded image for consistent messaging. I will show 3 common ways to run a program inside VS Code today. Use the Run button in the editor or press F5 to start with debugging. Press Ctrl plus F5 to start without attaching the debugger for faster runs. Open the integrated terminal with Ctrl plus to view program output and adjust terminal settings or integrated shells for consistent behavior across projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.